Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is a quick tip on how to use custom shapes for BoxCutter. And what you have to do is, I will hide this cube. We create a new shape. As we cut, the part that it's on the bottom will be the part cutting. And if we use join, the part that it's up, it's the one that will stay outside of the shape, or join. So let's do something to just to have an idea of what's going on. We can do obviously more interesting shapes. And we move this to a new collection. We can call this something, and then we hide this. We go back to the cube, and we can use I will be using the draw origin from the center, snap activated. We choose custom shape, select the shape we did, and as you can see, you can now use this shape to create booleans. You can do something more interesting, of course. And if you change, for example, to join, the shape will be inverted, so you have to think about that. And as you can see, you can have your own set of cutters and make your work a bit more easy. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.